How to get my WhatsApp link. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, open the conversation to whom you want to send your WhatsApp link to, and now tap on the text box you see there and type in wa.me/plus and your country code, and then enter your phone number just like shown on the screen, and with this, your WhatsApp link will be created. So go ahead and send the link that you just typed in, or you can also copy the link and paste it anywhere you want. Also, if you tap on the link that you just sent, you will be directly led to your conversation, which means that the link has been created successfully. So, this is how you can get your WhatsApp link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.